Cabinet approves Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Funds Guidelines 2022. The State Cabinet today approved the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Funds Guidelines 2022 today. Briefing media persons after the cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma stated that the state government started reclamation funds way back in 2014 under the minor minerals following an order of the High Court. Under the guidelines, the utilization of funds will be made through a governing body headed by the concerned minister and an executive committee. Meanwhile, the State Cabinet today also decided to start a new fellowship program with the National Law School of India, Bangalore.
So under the minor minerals, we had started a reclamation fund back in the year 2015, and this was based on an order from the High Court. Based on that, the funds have been collected, but the guidelines to actually use them had not been framed. They were in the process of being framed. And now that the framing has been done, this had come to the cabinet for its approval, and we have approved it. After this is done, the utilization of the funds through a governing body and through an executive committee will be undertaken.